It's J341 to Ken and Mike, featuring my brother Steve Sean. Let's go.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze.
Country road, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, all the memories gather around her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads.
I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away.
Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday.